Hi children, let us read the lesson How the Cat Became, the story of the lazy cat. Settings: in the woods and at the man's house near the farm. Beginning of the story. The cat lived in a wood. All the big and small creatures, birds like parrots, magpie, jay, shrews, spiders, lions, weasels, bears, lived there. The cat was really oddity. Meaning of oddity is unusual creature. It did not fit into the groups of animals because all the other creatures were busy all day long doing something or the other, except cat. He would only laze around all day long while everybody else was busy. Cat was fond of composing his own music. At night, he would sit in his tree composing his tunes, but he made such a terrible noise that the other creatures couldn't stand it. He would screech and wail loudly, disturbing everyone. The other creatures were worried that their children might think that it was okay to live an idle life like cat. So they all decided that cat must work, and so they formed a committee to force the cat to take up a job. Magpie, jay and parrot would sit on the tree and start yelling at him to get a job. They followed him everywhere, shouting the same again and again, get a job, till he got fed up of them. Middle of the story. The cat tried to escape from the birds in many ways, but he couldn't. He could not got one wink of sleep. So he ducked back into his tree and began to think he wasn't going to start grubbing around in the wet woods all the day as they wanted him. He wouldn't have any time to play his violin if he did so. There was only one thing to do, and he did it. He tucked his violin under his arm and suddenly jumped out of the top of the tree and set off through the woods at a run. Many birds set off after the cat to see where he was going. After a great deal of running, he came to the edge of the forest. He went straight on over the field and up to man's door. He raised his paw and banged as hard as he could in the middle of the door. Man was surprised to see cat because no creatures had ever dared to come to his farm as they were scared of him. And here was cat was knocking at his door. This greatly surprised him. The man offered cat the job of a rat catcher as his farm was full of rats and mice. The job suited cat perfectly because his salary was milk and meat, and he was allowed to sleep near the fireside to keep him warm. At first, cat had a terrible time as he didn't know how to catch the rats and mice, but cat was a quick learner. In a week, he could lay out a dozen rats and twice of as many mice within half an hour. Soon he understood that if he had gone on laying them out all the night, there would have pretty soon have been none left, and cat would have been out of a job. So he caught a few each night in the first 10 minutes and retired into the barn and played his violin till morning. As soon as the other farmers realized what a good rat and mouse catcher cat was, they all wanted to get cats too. And soon there were many cats all around. So cat decided to form a string band where there was music and dancing too. The male cats were followed by lady cats too, and they all started having a grand time. And this is the end of the story. Cat was pleased with his life because at night he would just catch a few rats and mice and then run off to participate in music and dance with the other cats till morning. and at dawn, he ran back to the farm and pretended to be working hard. All day long, he would just sleep near the fireside and get milk and meat. Man was happy with him, and his wife would stroke him lovingly in her lap. It was a wonderful life for Cat.